In this video tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get starting Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and this is basically a beginner's guide using PowerPoint. And if you never use PowerPoint, or if you may use little bit, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Even though this is PowerPoint 2016, if you have an older version of PowerPoint, and this is the good one for you to watch, because the same basic functionality still work on PowerPoint. In here there's a home, in here there's a presentations, and there's a templates, and they're showing a blank presentation here. And I'm going to click here new. If you click new, you can see here the blank presentations, and there's a lot of templates, and you can use these templates for your presentations. If I click this one, and you can create, and you have to download this template. I will cancel this one, and you can use any kind of presentation. You can use the business. If you click business, or you can search here business presentations, you can find here and download it, and you can basically edit the presentation. Now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to select the basic presentation using blank. In here I'm going to use blank presentation, because we are going to use the beginners level of PowerPoint. First of all, I'm going to introduce the interface in PowerPoint. Here, this is we are calling tabs, home, in design, animation, slideshow. We are calling these other tabs. And here, if we click this tab home, and here this game, we are calling this other ribbon. If you click insert, we are calling this is the ribbon, and we are calling this on the title bar, and this is the menu bar ribbon. In here, this one we are calling slide, and this is the slide, and we can edit this slide here. And there's a small rectangle here. This is representing this slide. Now I'm going to create a presentation, and there's a slide one. You can click here and type your title of the presentation. I already get some presentation informations. I'm going to make the wonder of the world. I'm going to copy here, and I'm going to click to here, or you can type here. In this time I'm going to paste here using Ctrl V. And subtitle, you can use your name or your company name. I'm going to type here by Flern, and I need another slide here. I'm going to right click here and new slide, or you can click the home, create new slide here, and you can click a title here. I'm going to add the same title, or you can use a different type of here. And I'm going to make another subtitles for this presentation using the Wonder of the World 7 Wonder. And you can select these things, and you can make the font. I'm going to use Times New Roman, and you can change the size here, or you can. I'm going to make this heading using bold, same Times New Roman, and make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to make another slide. Right click here using new slide, and you can make it this one heading. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste, and I'm going to type some text for this heading. Great Wall of China, and click this one, and I have some points, and select this one and press Ctrl C, copy. I'm going to paste here, Control V, and I can add this one like this. And we are calling for these boxes placeholders, and I got the layout like this. And if you want to change the layout, go to the home, click the home tab and new slide, and you can change the slide design. Or you can, if you want to change this one, you can change the layout here, and you can change the layout. And I want to change, I need to add the picture here, and I will click the picture and select this picture to here, and I can click the next slide, and I can use the next heading for this one, and click here, Control V, paste, and you can type the details here, and I'm going to select this one, select, copy, I'm going to paste here, or you can, and if you want to add the picture, click this one, and you can use the picture here, and you can select this image and insert. And if you want to add another picture for here, you can use insert picture, this device, and you can select from this device using picture. I just click this one, and you can arrange this image like this. I don't need this one, I will delete this one here. I'm going to add another new slide, and I'm going to type this one here using next slide, and Control V, type the information, I'm going to add the image, click here and click this image, and you can place it. And you can add these formats, picture formats. If you want to add another any type of picture formats, click this one, and you can add the picture formats. If you finish, enter your contents, and you can add the designs for your presentation or themes. You can click the design, and you can click the themes. You can select any themes for your presentation. And here I'm going to select this one, Wonder of the World, and you can select the different colors. If you pick this one, and you can change the color simply. And if you want to change the color, different colors for this different slides, or you can right click here, apply to selected slide. You can change the different colors for the slides. And if I click this one, it's changed to all about the slides, and this is not a change. If you want to change this one, you can right click here, apply to all slides, and you can change the color here. If you click, and I'm going to select, you can select any type of themes, and you can click the F5 function 5 key to play the presentation simply here. And if you click the mouse, you can play the presentation like this, end of the presentation. And if you want to add the transform the slide, you can simply select the transformation, and you can add the slide transform for the slide. And I'm going to choose this one for here, and you can select any type of transmissions for your presentation. There's a lot of transmissions here. And if you press F5 to play, you can see like this, it's playing. If you click the mouse or press the keyboard, it's playing. And if you want to add more animation for this presentation, you can select here your text and animation. You can add the animation to enter effect. You can click this presentation, next slide, and select this text, and you can use these effects. Click here, and you can simply add this one, and you can select the picture also, and you can add this one. And if you press F5, you can see these animations. You can easily explain the presentation like this. And press escape. And this is the basic part of the PowerPoint. If you want to learn advanced part of the PowerPoint, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You can get the notification from this